Jajo ya HPV ya rugoririo guku bururi-ini mwaka muhituku. Moroto ari kugitira airetu kumana na kansa ya njira ya uciari. Uthuthuria wa ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri thiini wa thi ukionania ati jajo ino ireheagwo airetu a miaka 10 ni ya kwihokeka. Kaunti ya Naikuru yatanyite gukinyira airetu 43,000 kuria ikerekari mbere no airetu 16,000 385 maheiro jajo eno na beno riu igithie na mbere guikuruka nginyagia airetu 3,952 thiini wa ikerekari ya keri riria riambiriirie mweri-ini wa kana mwaka uyu.
The question of delay in the second dose because most of them were supposed to receive it in April, and the challenges came in of closing schools, and so most of them have not received their second doses.
Kuringana na Virginia Jega, afitha wa ugima wa mwiri kaunti-ini ya Naikuru, gututhuka gwa king'uki gia corona gukoretwo ari muhinga hari gukinyaniria itanya ria thirikari kuheana jajo eno kuona andu aingi riu matirenda gukorwo magikinyia thibitari-ini.
We are encouraging them to come because it's not too late. Even if they have gone 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, we will still give their second doses. So they are welcome to our health facilities for their second dose.
Ona kuhanora uguo, afitha munene wa maundu makoni urigitani kaunti-ini ya Naikuru Samuel King'ori augite no meguthie na mbere gukinyira airetu aria matari maheo jajo eno.
From our statistics, it shows that more than 80% of our people in Nakuru County, they suffer from preventable condition. At this preventable condition, they can be prevented at the lowest level. That is at level 1. At level 1, we usually call it community level.
Ihinda-ini riu aciari makihoyo gutigirira ciana ciao cia airetu iria ciri na ukuru wa miaka 10 ni ciamukira jajo eno.
So far, we have been able to sensitize around 200 community health volunteers that we are working closely with just to ensure that the defaulters in the community and that at the household level, the information on immunization reaches up to the household level.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Gitagwo Ngina wa Wadirwa.